Hey guys, I'm back today with another video. This one is going to be brought to you by the company Afsisterwig, and today I'm going to be showcasing their new invisible strap Yaki Straight 360 lace wig. This one is in the length 20 inches. This is what it looks like straight out of the package, and that is a natural color. It does come with 4 combs. It comes with a comb at the top, 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back. It also comes with an area for your removable adjustable strap. And then this is the invisible strap right here, which I will show you guys later. This is the back of the 360 wig, and look at all that full parting. I'm gonna place this on my mannequin head so you guys can see what the hairline looks like. This does come pre-plucked. It also comes lightly bleached. The knots on this are really small, so powder will definitely help to fix that. You don't have to go in and do anything extra if you choose not to. Now, I did go ahead and co-wash my unit off of camera using my Aussie Moist shampoo and conditioner. And then right here, I'm just playing around with this strap. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I'm really scared of these invisible straps. Like, scared I'm going to break them because they seem so delicate. So I was trying not to over pull it. Look at my face, y'all. I look so nervous, but I was pulling and it was tightening it up. I just was unsure of how it was going to stay. So it's gonna take me some time to get used to these invisible straps. I'm gonna go on the side and cut off that excess lace. And I forgot to tell you guys that this is a small cap size, so that is what I requested on the website. It does just show a medium, that is their standard, but if you need a small or a large, you just need to email them so you can place your order. Use a little bit of my wax around the hairline, then I'm going to use my hot comb just to press everything back and get it all nice and sleek. And I feel like doing this just brings out the hairline even more. I'm so happy I'm not going to have to go in and do any extra plucking. Hallelujah. Now, after I'm done doing that, then I'm going to go ahead and cut off this lace. This is their Skin Melt lace, so it is a little bit thinner. You shouldn't have to worry about it too much blending into your skin. I'll be using this olive oil spray as adhesive, and I'm spraying underneath the lace, and I'm working in sections because in the front it was just a little bit too big in the lace area, and I do not want it to end up rippling. So I'm making sure to use my comb and press everything down into my skin. You can already see how well it's starting to blend in. You'll see me going on top of the lace in some areas, and then once I get to my sides, I'm going to spray underneath the lace just for extra security. I'm going to end up cleaning up just a little bit around the hairline because I sprayed a little bit too much lace on my skin. And then I'm going to place this elastic band around the front of the hairline while I work on styling the hair. Now, this is stated to be 150% in density. I do feel like this density was on point. It wasn't too heavy, but it wasn't too thick. I feel like for a yaki texture, this is a perfect density because it's not going to be too much for you to wear in the fall and winter time, especially if you're going to be wearing sweaters and coats. You don't want your wig to make you super hot. Be doing this half up, half down look first. Now, I attempted to do a full ponytail, but you guys know I have a small head. I tightened up those invisible straps as much as I could tighten them up. And anytime that I tried to like move it or push it or do whatever, I was feeling real insecure. On top of that, with the way that I tightened it, the comb wasn't sitting in the area that I needed it to be in. And y'all know I have this pixie cut, so I don't have a lot of hair for that comb to grab onto. So I was like, you know what? When I turn around, I'll just show the nape area because I felt like it looked really good. But the ponytail just wasn't doing what I needed it to do. I needed that nape to sit in its place, and I was going to have to glue it down, and I'm not messing with no glue. Not in my nape area. But right here, I am adding some heat to the hair. I really needed to make sure to press out those ends because the ends were starting to snag and they feel really dry even after washing it. So that is an area that you are really going to have to pay attention to. It didn't take me long to straighten out the hair because of the texture. remove this elastic band so you can see how this hairline is looking. It's looking really cute. I feel like on the sides it was coming off a little bit darker. So I'm just going to pull out a few hairs on the side, being very light. I want them to look wispy, and then I'm going to chop them down, and then I'm going to swoop them using a little bit of mousse. I do not want to do too much because I don't want to take away from the hairline, and not much is needed. I personally feel like I should have left the powder alone because it was making the lace look a little bit more lighter, and it wasn't needed at all. I'm happy that my pictures and stuff still came out looking good, but y'all know I'm gonna be honest with y'all. With this delicate hairline, don't try to add a lot of powder. You don't need to. It's not needed. But I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see what this looks like. And look at that. Look at the baby hairs in the nape area. Like, I pulled it up, and then look at that. It just blended in really good. This is a close-up. This half up, half down ponytail is just super cute. And I feel like the density on this is perfect because it's just not a lot. Now, this unit does start at 12 inches, and then it goes all the way up to 26 inches. And you can also request this unit in full lace. To give you guys another look utilizing the parting space so you can see how versatile this unit is. And I didn't have to put any wax at the top to straighten this down. I'm going with a curved look, and I wanted a deep curve, so that's why you see me curving it even more. But I was happy that there's not a lot of density into the parting space area, so you don't have to worry about having to do too much when it's time to move that parting space around. That I did notice when utilizing the parting space is that there were a lot of flyaways at the top of this unit. So I'm going to use that same spray that I used to melt the lace in. I'm going to spray that at the top, and then I'll go over it with my hot comb so it can lay down even more. I'm also going to place some powder into the parting space area, and this is what it looks like. Like I stated, y'all, I added that lighter powder into that lace and it wasn't needed. So that's just a quick and easy fix. I made sure to fix it up real good before I went and took my pictures, and it wasn't noticeable at all, but you just don't need a lot. I also want to talk about shedding and tangling with this unit. I did receive a little bit of shedding, and then I received tangles, but it was mostly towards the ends because the ends just felt really, really dry. This look is just going to be really simple in case you want to do a low ponytail. I just think it still came off looking super cute. I just kind of swooped that hair over and then wrapped my band around it, and it was still really nice and thick and full. I do like the invisible strap because when you use the elastic band, sometimes you can see that band in the back, and with the invisible strap, you can't see it. I just have to get more comfortable with it. But let me know what you guys think about this unit. I think it's super cute. If you are feeling this one, I'm going to make sure to leave the links down below. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.